Oh, good evening and happy Friday to you. Yeah, it's warm out there this afternoon. We did make it to 82 degrees in Corpus Christi, but this evening, of course, temperatures are coming down. The wind is still blowing, but that'll gradually subside this evening. It's not as strong. In Port Aransas, 7, Rockport, 8 miles an hour, but in the coastal plain, yeah, we've got that wind going on here, and those temperatures pretty comfortable. So this is a good weekend for Fulton Oyster Fest. In fact, boy, got a warm weekend for a change, and the Oyster Fest is going to have great weather through Sunday. If you're heading out this evening to Oyster Fest, those temperatures dropping through the low 60s. Entertainment starts at 9. I believe it's the band Riptide, 9 to 11. We've got the oyster decorating contest this evening, and a very nice weather. There's not too much wind in Fulton for Oyster Fest this evening. Tonight, lows are not going to cool too much. We stay in the upper 50s to low 60s inland, low to mid 60s coast. So feeling a bit more like South Texas, isn't it, for March, as we're seeing those milder nights and a warm day tomorrow. We're making it into the 80s. In fact, 85 at Alice, 80 degrees at Sinton, 82 Corpus Christi. Coast side staying, though, in the lower to mid 70s along the beaches. That wind still a little cool coming off the water, but not bad. Speaking of the wind, yeah, we talked about this all week. A windy weekend indeed. And in the morning, we'll start right around 10-mile-an-hour winds, and then you can see how they pick up 20 to 25 in many areas tomorrow afternoon from the south-southeast, which is going to warm us up. Sunday, I think, is going to be the windiest day. The wind coming up just a little bit more Sunday, and the gusts up to as high as 40 miles an hour, starting off at about 15 miles an hour and then 20 to 25, and a rather windy day, and that wind continues for Monday. All right, well, with these warmer temperatures, I know many of you may be going to the beach this weekend. Remember, we're getting into now the beach season, and you do want to check those flags, those beach warning flags at the entrances of the beaches. And when you see the red flag, that means there's probably some strong winds or higher rip currents out there. You want to stay shallow if you see those red flags. And also, if you see the purple flag, it means there's a lot of marine life hazards out there, such as jellyfish or man-o'-war, or environmental hazards with an orange flag. So something to keep an eye on. When you go to the beach, just find that flag and you know the conditions in the water. Well, with the wind blowing, tomorrow we have a moderate rip current risk. So if you are going to get in that cool 59-degree water, yeah, I needed about 20 degrees warmer in order to get in. But some of you do like the cool water. And if you get in the water, remember there's a moderate rip current risk tomorrow. If you're heading out on the boats doing some fishing tomorrow, the bays are going to be choppy. The wind's going to pick up 15 to 20 knots, and those seas climbing 3 to 6 feet. After some morning sea fog, we'll have plenty of sunshine. Well, you know, we got a break this week, not just here, but also all across the northern plains. Those temperatures warmed up. Folks were pretty happy, at least the ones I talked to the north. But that's about to end. You see this? Pocket of colder air, that's going to gradually work its way south over the next couple of days. Low pressure is developing out here. That's going to push to the south, and eventually it's getting here. That cold front does arrive Monday morning. For the weekend, though, windy and warm. You can see morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. By the time we get to Monday, here comes the front, but you'll notice the better chance of rain is going to be farther north. That for us, just a stray shower Monday morning, but as the upper level wave kind of settles off the coast and we get that moisture Tuesday, we might pick up a few showers. Tuesday is going to be cool. We're talking 50s much of the day to near 60, so cooling down quite a bit by Tuesday, and a stray shower chance and not much rain. We're looking under a quarter inch from Monday to Tuesday, so pesky rain I like to call it. Not enough to water things very well, but it gets you a little damp at times. So there's your forecast, much cooler by Tuesday. Next week we start warming up. Another front comes in Friday, and that's going to cool us down next weekend.